In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Choice Eliminator add-on for Google Forms. Whether you're running a small business, managing limited quantity signups, or you simply want your form to automatically close when all options are taken, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google form and go to the three dots in the top right corner. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Get Add-ons. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the search bar and type Choice Eliminator. You'll see the add-on appear. It's usually one of the top results. Click on it, install it, and give it a moment to process. When the installation is complete, close the window and click on the little puzzle piece icon for add-ons at the top of your form. From here, select Choice Eliminator and then click Configure. You'll now see several options that help you control how your form behaves. Follow the on-screen instructions. They're designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Start by selecting the question you want to limit. For example, if you're listing products or appointment slots, click on that question, and you'll see a column where you can set a limit for each choice. Enter the number of times each option can be selected, maybe one per product, one per appointment slot, or whatever fits your needs. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your question type is set to multiple choice or checkboxes. Make sure every option is clearly labeled, and confirm that your limits match your real inventory or available slots. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, enable Show Limit and Response Counts if you want users to see how many items are left. After that, toggle on Close Form when choice limit is reached. This ensures your form automatically closes when everything is taken. Then add a custom closed form message so visitors know why the form isn't available. For example, you might write, "Products are out of stock, the form is temporarily closed." After that, you should be able to test the setup without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to click on the preview icon and submit a test response. This helps you confirm that your limits update correctly and that choices disappear once they're no longer available. Testing ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your form properly organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use the Choice Eliminator add-on in Google Forms easily and efficiently, giving you full control over limited options or stock-based selections. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial super helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?